wethu sesifikile sesigalelekile kanti singena kwiyure yethu yokugqibela yenkqubo ubusando lungena ubuphi ngoba yeyi ziyakhala kunjalo nje zikhala ziku-loudspeaker. Sigxile ke kweyona nto esigxile kuyo kakhulu namhlanje kusukela kwiyure yokuqala ngumba weziphumo zebanga leshumi. Sisatsho nakule yure sithi wuntshu kwabaphumeleleyo kodwa ke khange siphelele apho bezikhona ke ezemidlalo kunye performance ka-touchline. Surely he touched you bukeli apha ekhaya. Jikelele hlala nathi ke kusekuninzi okuzayo nakule yure singena kuyo. Ndimlo unonkanyezi inkanyezi nomsantsa phakathi kwezinye umazipha umadlongothi umazondwa ngezinto zakhe ndihamba naye umamtshali.
Laqala ke ihora lokugcina lohlelo ekhaya jikelele. Namhlanje ke sihleka kuvele lo mhlathi impela njengoba phela kuphume imiphumela ka-matric izolo. Awuzaphasa iy'ngane zethu Nkosi yami ukuzala ukuzelula amathambo. Ngiyathemba balilizele umama lapha emakhaya. Kushikhala aleli. Hayi namajita nawo kumele usashaya amaflate ke kumnandi ekhaya. Ingane phela iphasile. Thumelani ingane lapha igijimisa inkukhu lapha egcekeni akuhlatshwe hlatshwe ingane zizungeze zicuthe kunuke kamnandi ekhaya. Isebenzile ingane. Uyabona ke namhlanje hayi bakithi ningamnika abawutwana inzolo zenkukhu mnikene amatayizi namagoji ayitike. Usebenzile phela. Igama ke lohleli ekhaya jikelele kanti elami nguNonxolo kwaMwalihla kwanelimhlophe qwa. Intokazi yale ondini ngingowangala kuphuma khona ke umfana lo ophase kahle. Senzima phela thina lapho ondini. Ake sibheke ihamba phambili leli hora.
The 2023 NEC overall pass rate has reached 82.9% compared to 80.1% in 2022.
Abafundi bematriki bonyaka ka-2023 baphumelele ngo-82.9 wamaphesenti kanti iphondo leFreystata isiqwaqwede zonke izifundazwe emakhanda ngo-89.3%.
Imanyezelo izolo imiphumela yabafundi ababebhala ivivinyo zika-matric ngonyaka wedlule kanti laba bafundi baphase ngo-82.9% ezweni lonke. Isifundazwe iFree State siphinde sayiqwaqwada zonke izifundazwe emakhanda ngo-89%, kwalandela ke iKwaZulu Natal ngo-86%, kwase kuziGauteng ngo-85%. iNorth West yona ithola u-81%, kanjalo neWestern Cape neEastern Cape ngo-81%. Isifundazwe kiLimpopo sona sithole u-79%, kwase ke kulandela isifundazwe iMpumalanga ngo-76%. Kwaba ke iNorthern Cape ngo-75 nokuyiyona ke elale eMsileni. Kusenjalo izikole ezimbini zaseGqeberha ziwugcinile umyinge wekhulu lepesenti kwiimviwo zebanga leshumi zebhodi yeemviwo ezimeleyo zonyaka ka-2023. Isikolo zamabanga aphakamileyo iSt Dominic kunye nesikolo iTheodore Herzl zideqolo ukutshila kokupaselwa emagqabini ngabafundi bebanga leshumi.
Abafundi bebanga leshumi phansi kwebhodi ezimeleyo yemviwo i-IEB bafumene iziphumo ezincumisayo. Izikolo ezimbini zamabanga aphakamileyo eGqeberha zifumene u-100%. Nalapho abafundi ababini abasuka kwisikolo iSt Dominic's Priory School bapase emagqabini.
And I am very proud of what I've done, but I would also like to take this opportunity to thank the teachers, the school staff and my family for supporting me throughout my school career and helping me achieve these good results.
I think the biggest thing is honestly just consistency. Like, if you're consistent day in and day out, it's going to work out for you. So just stay focused, stay disciplined. You know, matric is a year with lots of distractions. You know, there's lots of fun things going on. But, you know, if you have a goal, stick to it and work towards it and you'll get there.
Ukanti Theodore Herzl ngesinye isikolo esiqhube kakuhle kubafundi bebanga leshumi abayi-19 i-17 ipase ngopi.
I think this year was a bit more challenging, but I'm very proud of my results. It took a lot of hard work and effort, and I wouldn't have gotten through it without the support that I'm very grateful I had. Firstly, for God and my religion, also for my family and friends, and the teachers here at Theodore Herzl who really supported me along the journey, both in school and out of school, which they didn't have to, and they did with love and care, like they always have.
I managed to survive with the support of my family and my friends, and especially my teachers. I am grateful for for having them. And for 2024, I want to study actuarial science in university. And the reason for that is because I'm always passionate about finance, and actuarial science is something challenging. So I love to challenge myself doing things that's hard and become the better version of myself.
Abafundi abayi 15,180 abathe bachopela imviwo ze-IEB ngo-2023. Kwindaba ze-SABC ngulwando nomoyi ndisegqaberha.
Amaqembu ezombusazwe ahalalisele abafundi baka-matric bonyaka u-2023 ngempumelelo yabo njengoba bephumelele ngo-82.9%. Lokho kusho ukuthi izinga lokuphasa linyuke ngo-2.8% uma ngabe kuqhathaniswa nonyaka u-2022.
We especially want to recognize the outstanding contribution of 60% to the bachelor pass rate by no-fee schools. Our rural schools have contributed to the improvement in the overall performance of the class of 2023, according to the Minister. This gives the ACDP more impetus to fight against the closure of our rural small schools by this Department of Basic Education.
The Freedom Front Plus sincerely congratulates the matric class of 2023 with the higher pass rate than ever before of 82.9%, and also the more than 40% bachelor passes and diploma and certificate passes as well, which improves chances in the labour market. That is exactly the point, that the real test for matric lies in the coming year and years when students participate either in the labour market or in higher education, or maybe become entrepreneurs of their own.
The improved pass rate is encouraging, as is the fact that all provinces showed an increase in their pass rate. We encourage those who were not successful to persist and complete their basic education. The greatest threat to our human and economic progress is an education system that fails to prepare young people for the future world of work.
The AIC congratulates the class of 2023. We note the impressive learner performance and overall grade 12 outcomes in many provinces, including poor provinces like the Eastern Cape. We specifically congratulate the Alfred Nzo district in the Eastern Cape, which is a leading region in the province.
Reports show that around 1.2 million students were enrolled in 2012 and only 572,983 passed, which constitutes 52% of the original number. Now the question is, where are the other students? Whilst we celebrate the year-on-year increases of less than 3%, we have lost 48% of the students that we enrolled in grade 1. So for us as the African Transformation Movement, this is a bittersweet moment.
Siphinde ke sikwamukele mbukeli lapha ekhaya Jikelele, sibonga kakhulu ukuthi sihlanganyele kanye nathi la ekhaya kuLesihlanu.
Wesibamba ngazibini kwaye ke ilizwi namhlanje linye uhuntshu. Awuthi uhuntshu mamtshali uhuntshu.
Uhuntshu.
Uthi uhuntshu kubafundi bematriki onke amaphondo asisebenze ngokuzimisela.
Kanti ke njengamanje mbukeli so sithi nje kuwabheka izifundazwe ngezifundazwe ke ukuthi kuhambe kanjani mangabe kuzwa lapha ke emphumeleni kaMatikuletsheni. Soqala ke ngeFree State. iFree State ke yona iqaqwade zonke ke izifundazwe njengoba phela nangonyaka owedlule yenza khona ke okufanayo yaqoqoda zonke izifundazwe ngo2022 lesifundazwe sasithole u88.5% kwase kuthi ngonyaka owedlule njengoba nje kulonyaka bethole u89.3% Kholosa hayi bakhuphukile lapha na ke ibabambile iFree State.
Hayi unyaka nonyaka yenza abasebenza ngokuzimisela unyaka nonyaka njengokubona ngo2022 88.5 bafunquka bathi masinyuse ikaws.
Yes.
89.03% bekusele nje ezimbali babafike ku90 into ethi kulonyaka ozayo sawubona lifunquka ngenene nangenyaniso
nakhona makuthi phela izifundazwe nazo ziyibeke phansi
hayi kodwa iFree State wena mamtshali hlolo isebenza ngokuzimisela kodwa ndithe xa ndiphawula pha ku Free State Education ndafumanisa enye i-comment kaMutlase sithi into yobana congratulations, my wish is that employment opportunities were of the same percentages for these poor kids. Uthi ndiyarhalela man umnqweno wam njengoba sibhiyoza sithi 89.3% ingaske namathuba engqesho ebefana nqwa nezi percentages.
Kanti ke mangabe siqhubekela phambili ke siyobheka lapha yaKwaZulu Natal ukuthi khona kuhambe kanjani. Ihlathi hayi zivakashela indlebe ke ebantwini basesifundazweni kwaZulu Natal ngoba ke silele isibili isifundazwe. Ngo2022 lesifundazwe sasithola u83% ke kanti ngonyaka wedlule ke sithola 86.36%. Kanti ke futhi nomfundi obaqoqodwe bonke abafunde efundazweni uphuma khona lapha yaKwaZulu Natal.
Kwesakho.
Yoza kuphela uhlelo lokho ngithe ngosondile.
We yimincili kaloku senditsho kuyothwa ongabhiyozi kuthiwa uzawuva mhla kunguwe into yobana uzawuziva njani and kuyatshiwo ke wena mamtshali into yobana eliphondo laKwaZulu Natal lelona liproduce the highest number of distinction apha elizweni. Nakhona sibonile into yobana ibethe kwalontshona koloni phantsi yazi sizawusoloko sibuyela into yobana imicelimngeni ibijamelene nayo iKwaZulu Natal ibibhlungu kakhulu ngonyaka ka2023 apho izikolo zivalwa ngenxa into yobana nazi ifloods zikhona. Kafana ucinge nje ungumfundi uthi uya esikolweni sivaliwe okanye uyafika akhombane yonke lonto leyo. So bafunde phakathi kwemeko ezinzima kakhulu kodwa nakubeni kunjalo bathe asizoyeka imeko esihlule kuzo zibe idestiny yethu. Yet these results
Ake asiqhubela phambili ke siye ke esifundazweni sase Eastern Cape ngiyazi ke lesayi uzawuthi uthi ngaso phela ngonyaka u2022 isifundazwe ke Eastern Cape sasithole u77.3 wama% kwase kuthi ke ngonyaka wedlule ke bathole ke 81.42 wama% balala isithupha number 6 kodwa nje uyabona kumehluko lapha na 77 no 81 i difference umuntu uyabala 78 79 80 81 more than 4% almost 5% ukhuphuka ke kusukela ngonyaka odlule lapha nesifundazweni sase Eastern Cape.
Uyakhumbula uqonde ke nakwinqaku lethu langaphambili besisisho into yobana izikolo ezimbini ezapha eGqeberha siwugcine umyinge wekhulu lepercent kwimvuzo ebanga le10 zebhodi yemviwo ezimeleyo zikanyaka ka2023 sivile pha kusisho into yobana abafundi abayi19 abayi17 kwabayi19 bafumane ubi into ethi ke khafana ucinge nje 17 out of 19 bafumana ubi into ethi ngenene abafundi basebenze ngokuzimisela nephondo kananjalo lase Eastern Cape zininzi izinto ileli phondo belijamenene nalo abantwana bekunzima kakhulu kulonyaka befunda kwimeko ezinzima kodwa naba baphumelele. Esinye ke sesikole ndibona into bana sibalulwanga iSt John's College sipha eMthatha siyaqhubha mntasekhaya siyaqhubha esasikolo nyaka nonyaka 100%. Ndingazilibalanga izikolo eziphako mampondweni nendawo eziko mampondweni othi nobudlula ngendlela wena mamtshali awuboni noba kwenzeka ntoni ziphansi ezantsi
bakithi
nazo kuthiwa ziphumelele. Ndibalisa apha oDumsi, ndibalisa apha oXelinxe, ndibalisa apha oMangqamzeni zindawo ezo wena mamtshali ongazaziyo ozothi
ngiziva ngawe ngoku
notitshala man masibabulele because benza umsebenzi obaluleke kakhulu. I-extra classes like isike sibabone pha ko TikTok besisho into yobana asilali utitshala sacrifice uSunday wakhe apha bezawuhlala nefamily abiza abafundi abafundise kuba naye ifuna impumelelo.
Hayi ke njengamanje ke asiqhubekele phambili ke sike lapha eGauteng Jozi mabone ngikhambe kanjani. Ngonyaka ke odlule ke kwaku 84.4% ke ngophela lesifundazwe siwumgodla ke womnotho wezwe weGauteng ngo2022 bona ke bathola u84.4% kanti kulonyaka wedlule bathole ke u85.38%. Ingabelana ke imphumela ebesilindele yini eGauteng njengoba phela umnotho ingqalazinda kanye nezinye insizwa zingeyona inkinga lapha eGauteng Kholos.
neGauteng wena mamtshali sentsho siyaqonda into bana nalapha siyaqonda banelona phondo elinenani elininzi le teenage pregnancy kuKwaZulu Natal kodwa nalapha eGauteng besiziva icases throughout the year so bakhona abantwana bamithiyo. Senditsho ndiye ndabona enye ipost ku Facebook omnye oweyabakanti uyazala ungumfundi ka grade 12 wazala pha ebutsheni bonyaka kodwa nakubeni enze lo mpazamo engumntwana wamitha kodwa waqonda into yobana andizunikezela andizuhlala phansi ndizawuvuka ndizivuthulule ndibuye esikolweni ebesherisha ke i-results zakhe esitsho into yobana upasile uphume ngophi into ethi sawuhlala siyingqina le nto yobana amid all challenges you can still rise.
So iGauteng ngonyaka u2022 yayikade iphumelele ngo84.4% kanti ke kulonyaka u2023 wangonyaka odlule iphumelele ngo85.38% nayo ke ikhulile mangabe kuqhathaniswa ke nonyaka ke owedlule.
Yes, mbukeli sithi wuntshu kubo kodwa ke kufuneke sibonwabise sibe nengoma esizabaphathela yona ezawuthi ibaphakamisa umoya andithi utshila into yokubana abazali mabalilize omalume bashaya amaflake
basitsho
uyayiva kuthe kuxhela inkukho ingoma ibisitsho apha ekhaya Jikelele siniphetheleke mbukeli igcisa lomculo uMasonwabeni ngengoma yakhe ethi khawumethembe zawujika izinto sitsho nakuwe kaloku uthe wabeka ndawuphumelelanga khawumethembe umfihlakalo khawumthembe umvele nqangi izinto zizojika. New chapter, new beginnings.
Yes, kodwa ke ngaphambi kwalokho asijike qu 8 emva komzuzwana siyathembisa so sesibuya.
Na 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 ta na 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 ta na 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 ta na 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 sendibulela nje ubalapha elingathubani kabalapha iminyaka emibili edlulileyo yandisi yandingu kubekileyo sensonela njuba ngathi nzalokhuku efuno wami awuvumi mandithule kodwa ndiyayaza sizelanga lonwaba thina sokonwaba futhi sokonwaba masonwabeli masithandaneni masigcinaneni 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 Masonwabeli 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 masigcinaneni masithandaneni Masonwabeli masithandaneni, masithandaneni, masiphilaneni.
Mbukeli siphinde sikwamukele lapha ekhaya Jikelele. Isifundazwe iFree State siyishaye zonke ifundazwe kulelizwe njengoba sesike sabika ke. Kanti ke njengamanje sixhumana nentatheli yeindaba ze-SABC uMakhala Masiteng olapha ya eFree State. Makhala, welcome to the show. Thank you so much for joining us this morning. Kuhamba kanjani lapho sizule kuthiwa iFree State ithophe zonke ifundazwe la eNingizimu Afrika kanjalo nangonyaka odlule. Ngabe yini imfihlo yakhona?
Good morning and thank you very much. Sila Central University of Technology. This is where the province will be celebrating. They're having their well done celebration to celebrate those top achievers. And of course, as you have mentioned, the Free State has been able again to maintain that top position. This is the 5th time in a row since 2019. But also, you would remember that the 2nd position when it comes to the performance of the district was taken by Motheo district, and I'm standing with Ndate December Muloi, who is the head here of the Motheo district, just to get the sense of how do they do it, as you have asked. And Ndate Muloi, thank you very much. I know this is not the first time that you are part of the top 10 nationally. How do you do it?
No, thank you very much. You know, our recipe and our practice is just hard work, commitment, and embracing the support we get from everyone, and then even from our political leadership, and then from our MEC, our head of department, and his strategic leadership. And then, you know, the teacher unions are playing a very pivotal role in motivating the teachers, in ensuring that the district goal is achieved. Our hardworking teachers, and then our parents, our SGBs, Team Motheo, the district officials, hard workers. You know, we have declared 3 years ago that hard work is our lifestyle. We work very hard and then to get the results. I can just say it is just hard work, commitment, and embracing the support we get from different angles at different levels.
Just briefly, what can we expect today as we celebrate the top achievers?
No, definitely today is a big day for us. And as you have rightfully indicated, that nationally, and then we are number 2, and as Motheo Education District, and in the province we are number 1, and we have really maintained the 90% because we have improved from 90.8 to 91.2, and then to us that's very important because we are the biggest district when it comes to learner numbers. Therefore, it is also the same here. And then the biggest number, the biggest cohort and then, of learners who will be awarded by our Premier and MEC today are coming from the district on the rise to greatness. That is Motheo. And then the schools, again, we have got more than 60 schools and then here today, and then that are going to be awarded and celebrated by our leadership. We are so proud. Yes, and obviously, and then as a district, we will be the recipients of the top district for the 3rd year in a row. It is because of hard work.
Thank you.
Celebrate Motheo.
Thank you very much. That is December Muloi, head of the Motheo district here, is the first, taking the first spot, of course, when it comes to districts in the province, and taking the 2nd position nationally. You can see, of course, by his excitement that he is really proud of their performances, and saying that even with today, the top 100 learners that will be awarded today, they also contributed a lot as Motheo district. We'll see later on MEC of Education Makalo Mohale coming in, of course, with other members of the executive coming to celebrate this performance that the Free State yet again has been able to maintain that number 1 spot. We will see, of course, we have seen them, we have known them with a culture that was set by the late Tate Bakwe of wearing a white suit, but earlier on when I spoke to MEC of Education Makalo Mohale, just asking about what can we expect, he said that is a secret, but we wait to see.
Sibonga kakhulu ke Makhala ngesikhathi sakho sesizozwa nje ukuhamba kosuku ukuthi mase kufika uMEC kuzobe kuhambe kanjani sengathi konke kungahamba kahle. Lo ke mbukeli bekuMakhala Masitenge besixoxisana nayo intatheli yethu ke la SABC ulapha eFree State aphankanise khona uyasho ukuthi kulindeleke ukuthi uMEC afike ke kuleya mcimbi wokunikeza ngeindondo ke laba abaphumelele abalikhulu ke esifundazweni sase Free State. Njengamanje ke mbukeli seyisikhathi sokuthi ke siphose intambo lapha kuThembi Mona ozosinika iculo limnandi elithi County Thembe. Trust me.
La viwa Niyamba bonso Lelunyame sele Dio sebetela Tina soba vini Ayiti londo Andi sobu pika Ayiti londo Andi sobu ya Uya ya finda solo Bonde tungana nawe Ingo wako County Thembe Ingo wako County Thembe Ingo wako So sedikile Ingo wako County Thembe Ingo so sedikile Siyadigana so seligulate Tina so avini so batula sindutumu Tina so avini so batula sindutumu County Thembe Ingo wako so sedikile Ingo wako County Thembe Ingo wako so sedikile Ingo wako County Thembe Ingo wako so sedikile Ingo wako County Thembe
Siphinde sikwamukele mbukeli lapha ekhaya Jikelele haya kumnandi ziyabuya lapha ekhaya Jikelele kuyasho ukuthi Friday uThembi Mona waqala kuhambo lwakhe lwasemculeni ngonyaka u2015 ngenkathi esebenza njengomculi ingoma zakhe eziningi isetshenziselwe ukudansa futhi kancane ke wazakhela igama nodumo kubalandeli bakhe yize eye wabhekana nezinselelo ngesikhathi sobhubhane iCovid-19 kodwa kukwazile ukwethula icocolo lakhe lokuqala njengomculi oyimele nesihloko esithi oluhambo lwami lukude ngonyaka u2020 kanye ke ingoma yakhe isihloko esithi Loyiso ayididile ngokubambisana no DJ SK niyaba ke impumelelo enkulu uThembi Mona kusivakashele mbukeli lapha e-studio ukuzosixoxela kabanzi ngohambo lwakhe njengoba sombolileke sidansisa lapha ekhaya Jikelele Thanda sikubingene sikamukela ekhaya Jikelele sifuna ukukhuluma ngokuthi ke usivakashele
Bulela mina sesingubani
hayi niyajiva ngiyabona niyashisela ngoku
ya bayajiva bafana bayajiva
cela nje usitshele ngoThembi ukuthi uhambo lwakho emculweni lwagqugquzelwa yini liyagqugquzela uthando lomculo ku
Okay, uThembi oqala is coming from a background yabantu ababecawe Christians. So siqale ecaweni and then ndahamba ke like nasesikolweni like free periods we doing oma-jam early like siyalingisa njalo njalo. So ndamka ndiyohlala e-PE when ndahlala endlini kaStombi Mavi, the late one. So phaya bekumane kufika abantu bazorehesa like musicians from upper eJoburg. So bafikele phaya, so ndamane ndibabukela ke because nami ndine passion in music. So ndavesika ndaqala kanjalo.
So ke awusitshele ngohambo lwakho ke kusukela lapho uqala kuze kube manje. Ngiyazi ukuthi alukho uhambo olingena amaginqi.
Yeah, there's so many challenges because uba independent artist without imali, there's no way that you can make it. Noba singazama sithini na. So bekhona amaginqi and abantu besiza bathi baya invest emculweni, but fumanise ba abantu baza ngezinye indlela. Yabo, so ndibe ndizibreak ezo deals zabo. So ndaqomba ke mandizenzele ndedwa. From 2017 kakhulu after uLoyiso ereleasiwe. So ndazenzela ndedwa until now.
So ngeCovid ngiyazi ukuthi khona nama-challenges wabhekana nawo ngeCovid.
Kakhulu.
Akekho ongabhekana nawo.
Kakhulu. Ngaphela ndipheka mina ndizenzela uchisanyama phaya elalini yami ePhumlani because I'm coming from East London ePhumlani. So ndinochisanyama phaya benzenzela ngithengisa wings and ikota. So to survive until 2021 kwabhetele, and then I decided uba mandiphindele back eJoburg.
eJoburg. Yabona ama-side hustles ahlezi esiza ngaso sonke isikhathi. Manje mangabe uthi uyi-independent artist, umculo wakho manje ubupusha kanjani? Like abantu bebewuthola kanjani?
Benipusha online, phofu ngiqale ndapusha like free like links or data file holes, but ke ekuyeni ngidiyama ndibona abantu bayawumamela and bayawuthanda. So some people ababe close to me bathi kumba okay khupha online ngoku, yabo, kunokuthi abantu baza kudownload, then getting something xa
bedownload. Yeah. So ke sitshela ke ngokusebenzisana khona uDJ Ekhaya kanye noZintele ngoma ethi Sobonana Phambili.
Yeah, it was a nice journey. The song ethi Sobonana Phambili was inspired by lockdown because dance Ekhaya that time ndibhala ngoma. So Ekhaya ndabe ndenze ingoma ethi ndixolele naye. So after one nika beat ka Sobonana Phambili. So it wasn't easy, inhliziyo yami ebuhlungu kakhulu because I was always thinking ubana ngaba inoba ngizophelela apha ePhumlani ukubona, but ke uThixo wenza and then Khale wabe sesenda le ngoma ndibe ndinalento ndicingayo. So ndaveza ndakhuphela yonke lento pha, and it was a nice journey. Xa sifika ke kwe studio uZindle is there, and then I had to say uZindle makajambe ingomeni. So that's how we started.
Siyahamba ke yaba
impumelelo.
Manje kusukela manje ke abalandeli bakho nje yini abangelindele kuwe?
Yeah, there's a lot. Ngoku ndifuna uqala ijourney entsha. I don't know if bazayithanda or not, country music, Afro soul, Afro pop, so, but ngizabavalelisa i-dancing music izosoloko ikhona because even if I'm doing that music, so bakhona i-producers eziremixa those songs. But now ngoku ndiyenza uJikazinto which izophuma nge-30th. I'm collaborating with Eden and Tombo, lo muntu wale Teki from Texas, USA. So we're doing that. So we're doing that song izophuma nge-30th. And then I think that song might be the last dancing song. But angizobaleka kakhulu, but kumele ngikhule.
Sungahlale ufuna ukuba versatile, ube umuntu okwazi ukungena eindaweni ezahlukahlukene. Manje mangabe abalandeli ke befisa ukuthola umculo wakho nje obusho nawo ukuthi ke ozophuma nalo cikolelo laseMelika ozobusebenzisana nalo ke bona ke bawuthola kanjani kumculo? Bakuthola kuphi mhlawumbe inkundleni zokuxhumana?
Okay, bawufumana kwi-all digital stores, iTunes, zonke nje, Spotify, YouTube and others, yabo. So, but nakupage yami babekhona because i-links ndiyaziposta pha, like Instagram Thembi_Ndenziwe, and then Facebook Thembi Mona Music, and then Thembi Mona kwenye page.
Thembi Mona, thank you so much for ukuzosivakashela namhlanje uzijuxuzisa vele kuyi-Friday. Siyazi ukuthi awakahambi usazobuya ke mangabe sibuye. Thank you so much. Mbukelo bekuThembi Mona besixoxisana naye ke iciko lethu umculo wethu ke simphethe la ekhaya Jikelele namhlanje kuyi-Friday. Sathi qu 8 lo kodwa mangabe sibuya ke mbukeli sobe sesijive kokugcina ngaphambi kokuthi sivalelise. Siphinde ngesikwamukele mbukeli lapha ekhaya Jikelele. Njengamanje ke sesiyaligoqa ke uhlelo lethu ekhaya Jikelele. Njengoba kubonileke selokhu siqalile sikwethulile ithinta ke imphumela ka matric. Lesithombe ke abazosiveza njengamanje ke mbukeli nawe usibone nami ngisibone. Lona ke nguMelisa Mula. Yena ke ubashaye bonke abafundi abebefunda ezikoleni zikahulumeni ngisho bonke phu washaya wavala. Awucabanga nje ukuthi ungazizwa kanjani wehlule bonke abafundi abeke bahlala phansi babhala ama exams ngonyaka u2023. Halala Melisa Mula, halala. Sithi nje ke nakulabo abangaphumelelanga bangalilahli ithemba bazame futhi ke kuzolunga bangayibulali lokho akusikho ukuphela kwempilo.
Siziqonqotha ngolohlobo mbukeli sibamba ngazibini kubo bonke mani abathe baba nathi ngale mini yanamhlanje sikhona ngomvulo qiniseka into kubana kule weekend uziva mnandi siyaqonda kaloku into kubana yibray namhlanje nonobe kakhulu kodwa ke sinishiya naye uThembi Mona ngingoma emnandi masonwabeni bethunana kube kuchosi kubele.
Chinja we isimo sami chinja simbo chinga sindo nobungaqala wena esambalelakho yeluzovula indandwa yoyakho chinja simbo chinga sindo nobungaqala wena esambalelakho yeluzovula indandwa yoyakho indandwa yoyakho esambalelakho indandwa yoyakho yeluzovula esambalelakho indandwa yoyakho esambalelakho indandwa yoyakho yeluzovula esambalelakho Libadula ukufuna umthombo nenhliziyo yami ihafuma